Asphalt ball pressing machine is a type of equipment divided according to the types of materials, mainly used for pressing difficult-to-form powder materials. Its main asphalt material powder, electrolytic stone materials for processing. Pressing effect is very obvious and can obtain higher economic benefits. It is characterized by high forming pressure, adjustable revolution of the main engine, and screw feeding device. Widely used in asphalt powder, asphalt slag, asphalt ball, asphalt particles, and other powder, waste slag, pressing molding work. Plant production of asphalt ball press. Production line cost saving. Simple operation, clear structure, easy to maintain.